In 2024, the top 10 solar panel companies are driving inventions in renewable energy. First Solar, known for its eco-efficient modules and leadership in fighting climate change, stands out. Stay with us till the end because number 1, First Solar, exemplifies excellence in solar technology and sustainability. Number 10, Canadian Solar Incorporated. Founded in 2001 and based in Guelph, Canada, Canadian Solar is a big name in solar and energy storage solutions. They were listed on NASDAQ in 2006 and have grown to operate in over 30 countries with more than 20,000 employees. Canadian Solar not only makes solar panels but also develops large-scale solar power plants and battery storage projects around the world. By the end of 2024, they expect to significantly increase their production capacity for silicon ingots, silicon wafers, cells, and modules. Their solar module shipments have already exceeded 110 GW, and their battery energy storage shipments have surpassed 3 GW. Canadian Solar's main business areas include residential energy storage, utility services, and solar system kits. Number 9. SunPower. SunPower, established in 1985 and based in the USA, is a company that makes solar panels and complete solar home systems. They are known for their advanced technology and commitment to quality, offering all-in-one solutions that make it easy for homeowners to switch to solar energy. What's cool about SunPower is that they provide personalized customer service and offer the longest warranties in the solar industry, guaranteeing their products for more than 25 years. Over their nearly 40 years of experience, SunPower has earned more than 1,000 patents for their solar innovations, showing how they lead the way in solar technology. Whether it's installing solar panels on roofs or setting up entire solar energy systems for homes, SunPower is dedicated to making clean, renewable energy accessible to families everywhere, helping to protect the environment and save money on electricity bills. Number 8. Jinmate. Jinmate, based in Hong Kong, China, is a top international company that makes and sells solar energy products. They design and produce high-quality solar panels and solar lighting products using advanced production lines and equipment. Thanks to a complete supply chain system, Jinmate offers great prices and excellent products. They work with 15 countries worldwide and have over 1,000 employees, bringing lots of experience in solar energy solutions. Jinmate provides solutions for homes, businesses, and solar lighting. Their main products include the TO-Pecan solar panel, mono solar panel, and small solar panel. Number 7. Maxeon. Maxeon, established in 2019 and based in Singapore, is a company that leads in solar innovation. They create, build, and sell advanced solar panels under the SunPower and Maxeon brands, delivering them to customers in over 100 countries worldwide. In the United States, Maxeon sells its top-notch solar technology under the Maxeon brand and is the exclusive supplier to SunPower Corporation, a California-based company. What's really neat about Maxeon's solar panels is that they come with warranties that can last up to 40 years. These panels are specially designed to work perfectly in all kinds of environments, ensuring they perform well and efficiently. Maxeon's goal is to use the sun's energy to help people everywhere, providing sustainable and clean power solutions for homes and businesses. Number 6. SolarEdge. Established in 2006 and based in Herzliya, Israel, SolarEdge is a company that focuses on smart energy technologies to harness the sun's power for a greener world. They are known for their innovative DC optimization technology, which helps maximize energy production from solar panels. SolarEdge doesn't stop there. They also develop solutions for storing energy in batteries and charging electric vehicles using solar power, making homes and businesses more efficient and eco-friendly. Their products are used on rooftops, in ground-mounted solar systems, carports, and even in agriculture, helping to bring clean energy solutions to various environments. SolarEdge is committed to innovation and sustainability, paving the way for a brighter and cleaner future for all. Number 5. Jinko Solar. Jinko Solar started in 2006 and is based in Shanghai, China. They make solar products that are used in more than 180 countries by over 3,000 customers. Jinko Solar is special because it controls the entire production process, from making silicon wafers to building the final solar panels. They have 14 factories worldwide, including in China, Malaysia, Vietnam, and the United States. By the end of 2023, Jinko Solar's factories will be able to produce 85 gigawatts (GW) of silicon wafers, 90 GW of cell wafers, and 110 GW of solar panels. Most of their production will focus on the new N-type technology, which is leading the industry. They also use cool solar technologies like half-cell modules, bifacial modules with see-through backs, and tile tape (TR) technology to make their solar panels even better. Number 4. Enphase. Enphase, founded in 2006 and based in the USA, is changing how we use solar energy with its innovative microinverter technology. These tiny devices work with almost any solar panel to convert sunlight into safe, reliable, and scalable energy that powers our homes and businesses. Enphase's smart microinverters are known for their efficiency and performance, making them one of the top choices in the solar industry. They shipped millions of microinverters and installed Enphase-based systems in over 145 countries worldwide, helping millions of people access clean, affordable, and dependable energy. Alongside their microinverters, Enphase also offers smart battery technology and other accessories that enhance the efficiency and reliability of solar energy systems. Their mission is to make solar power accessible to everyone while reducing our dependence on fossil fuels for a cleaner and brighter future. Number 3. Sunnova Energy International Incorporated. Founded in 2012 in Houston, Texas, Sunnova has quickly become a leader in providing affordable and reliable energy solutions. With over 386,000 customers across 47 regions, Sunnova specializes in solar photovoltaic panels, which capture sunlight and turn it into electricity for homes. They also offer inverters, essential devices that convert solar energy into usable power for everyday needs like running lights and appliances. In addition to solar panels and inverters, Sunnova provides electric vehicle batteries and backup generators, ensuring homes stay powered even during outages. Sunnova's goal is to make clean energy accessible to families, helping them save money while contributing to a cleaner environment. Number 2. LONGI. LONGI started in 2000 and is based in Tian, China. It's the top company in China's solar industry, with 60,000 employees worldwide and 2,525 patents. LONGI aims to be the most valuable solar technology company in the world. They work on 5 main things: making monocrystalline silicon wafers, battery components, solar solutions for homes and businesses, large-scale solar solutions, and hydrogen energy equipment. Since 2015, LONGI has been using the rich hydropower resources in Yunnan, China, and Kuching, Malaysia, to produce clean energy. They use cool solar technologies like RCZ technology, diamond wire cutting, PERC technology, and double-sided technology to make their solar panels even better. Number 1. First Solar. Founded in 1999 and based in the USA, First Solar is a leading company in solar technology dedicated to fighting climate change. They specialize in producing eco-efficient solar modules using advanced thin-film photovoltaic (PV) technology. These modules are like the next generation of solar panels, offering a competitive and high-performance option that's also low-carbon compared to traditional ones made of crystalline silicon. First Solar's products are used in large-scale solar projects and smaller distributed systems, and they even focus on recycling old solar panels to reduce waste. Their goal is to harness the power of the sun to create a cleaner and more sustainable world for everyone. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.